Okay.
Where? Which one do you want?
It's recording.
Okay. Chill. Shit. Yeah, can you let go of me now?
She loves cheese too much.
Am I?
Sweet balance.
Most unbalanced. Okay. Sweet balance version 2.
Sweet fall over.
Come on. Work for it.
She's cheating. That was pretty good right there. That was some good hang time.
And then the final piece.
Dude, that is way too much for her. She has no idea what to do with that.
She's tearing it up. Are you satisfied yet? Holy hell! She just ravaged it. It's all you.
You hear that noise she makes?
She's angry. She sounds
I'm gonna have to come in here later. There's just puke all over the floor.
It's just cheese chunks.
There's just cheese puke everywhere.
Yeah, now you don't ask for any more cheese ever again.